Coach Tim here again, and I wanted to show you something that you probably didn't know that you could do. I had to get creative this morning because I didn't think I had anything recorded. As it turns out, I did have my numbers recorded, and I ended up with well, I said it in the last video. It's around 3,000 steps, but I didn't know at the time. And so what I did is I'm gonna share my screen to get old googly, and I right clicked right here. And what a lot of people don't know is you'll get the IP, the geolocation here, latitude and longitude. You can do directions, you can do what is here, and you can measure distance. And so what pops up is this little button here, and I could just drag it and click it. I think it's a little tricky. Let me try it again. There it is. So I just go like that, I go like that. If that happens, you just pull it down. And I go like that. I'm not going to obsess over this right now, but you're getting the idea. And then it gives me a total mileage. I think that's 2.89, and down here at the bottom you can see that that's what that was. And went to this website. I found it on Google, online miles or steps calculator. Miles to step calculator is what I did. And so I figured out my steps. It asks you all this stuff, your age and height and all this stuff. And then it gave me 2650, which was pretty darn close to what it turns out the app showed me. So anyway, that's how you can get a little crafty sometimes.